Alright, so in the previous video we had a look at how to work with images. So in this video it looks like we're going to be working with some bullets. So in step 15, apply star-shaped bullets to the list of items from length of employment to are we working towards. Okay, so if we have a look at our document, we're going to go and find that text. So let's see, so here it is over here. So this is text, so length of employment to are working towards. So this is the text we have to make into bullets. So just before we have a look at what the question states, your bullets are going to be found in the home. If you look in the middle in the paragraph section, you're going to see there is this bullet menu over here. You can choose the bullets that you want to use, and you get the numbered bullets as well if you want to use those. Or you could right click, and there's a bullets option here, and the numbering option there. So for example, let's just choose some random bullets quickly. Let's say if we want a little arrow, and you can see it will make the bullets appear for us. So this instruction says we've got to make star-shaped bullets. Okay, so this is a different type of question. So you can see we have arrow-shaped bullets over here. But if you are not able to find a star-shaped bullet, so here's a star-shaped bullet over here, but this has been inserted from before. So if this wasn't here, all you do is you go down to define new bullets. You'd click on symbol, and you'd go look through this list and try and find a star-shaped bullet. So Wingdings is the option which will have a star-shaped bullet. You can always change the option over here and try and find it in any other place, but basically this is where I found this one. So if we have a look through, you'll probably find a whole number of different types of stars, but it's going to choose just the regular one over here. So we say OK, we say OK again, and it will put in the star-shaped bullet for us. Okay, so most of the time we are going to be given an instruction to choose a bullet that is part of Microsoft Word, but this is just an instruction where they tell you to make bullets that actually aren't there, so we're going to have to define a new bullet. So now that has been applied, so make sure that the bullets are indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. So we're just going to highlight our bullets, right click, paragraph, and indentation. You are just going to change it to whatever we need to make it. So 1 centimeter from the left, we say OK, and you can see it's moved up a little bit there. A hanging indent is applied to the bullets. So right click again, paragraph again, and you can see a hanging indent has been applied to these bullets. So that's all good. The list is in single line space with no space before or after each line. So highlight the bullets again, right click, paragraph. Line spacing is over here, so that we're not no space before and no space after. In other words, before and after should have 0 points each. So 0, 0. So OK, and you can see the spacing has been reduced. And lastly, there's a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Okay, so all you do is just make sure you click just after this last item over here, so after the full stop. You can right click back to paragraph, and we want it to have a 6-point space after this bullet, and we can say OK. Okay, cool, and that is it. So that is how just to work with some bullets, and that's just how to change the spacing, etc. of those bullets. If you have any questions about that, just let me know.